Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds from CoinRabbit. CoinRabbit is a crypto platform that allows users to store crypto or an interest swap for borrow using collateral. Withdrawing funds is the process of sending your crypto into stable coins from CoinRabbit back to your personal wallet or another exchange, and this is essential for accessing your funds outside the platform. First, open any of the web browser you prefer. In the top, there's an address bar. Type on coinrabbit.io and enter it, and select to this My Wallet in the top right corner. Over here, once you get into this interface of a CoinRabbit, in the left hand side, we can find this turn of the icon. You need to select to this wallet here. And under this wallet, you can find this withdraw. Click onto this withdraw here. Over here, you need to scan the QR code. Add this QR code in your Authenticator app and select this next. Over here, make sure to save this backup in a safe place as well. Simply click onto the save icon and go to this I save the key next here. And over here, simply enable the Authenticator, verify your account at the Authenticator, and you need to type down the 6-digit code sent to your account, and also enter the 2FA code to enable Authenticator. And after all the process, you can also select the cryptocurrency. After that, enter the recipient's wallet address and choose the blockchain network and enter the amount, and you can confirm the transaction, and you can review all of the details: coin amount, wallet address, network, and fees. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.